Hello, everyone. I'm really happy to be here. Let me begin to introduce myself that you know who's speaking tonight. So my name is Mark Anthony Para, and I'm Diamond Master of Atomy, Canada. I'm from Vancouver, but I'm originally from the Philippines. And truly, this product is worth to share. So let's begin. I was introduced to Atomy. There's only one product that I want to know. It's the Himuhim. But it transformed that I tried the facial. Okay? And for those of you who have tried it, you know it. And tonight will be the night for you to understand the product of Atomy is really powerful. Just by looking at me. Okay. Okay. I'm actually the exact representation of how this product will change your life for the better. And believe me, since I used that product, 9 months joining this company, I quit my job. And that is during pandemic. A lot of people are losing their job during pandemic, and I know I feel bad about it, but I quit my job during pandemic, and I'm very proud because this company changed my life for the better. Yep. So let's begin because this company is a sharing culture. I actually use the absolute set. So for most people who have used it, you know the power of transformation of this product. The very beginning, because there is a stigma when men using a beauty product. So every time actually I look at myself before, I didn't know that men has a skin too, like women. Why not be beautiful like women, right? So I consider myself as a beautiful man of Atomy. Yes. And truly, that time, I didn't share the products because I want to keep it to myself. I didn't. But believe me, a lot of people are forcing me to bring them where did I go. Because they thought I went for a surgery. It's not a joke. It is really true. All my neighbors are members of Atomy. All my colleagues are members of Atomy. The power of the system of Atomy is actually by using the product. Remember, this company is a product-driven company. The more you use it, the more you benefit about it. Because truly, this company is a blessing. That blessing that I receive, although I keep it for 3 weeks, because there is a stigma when men using a beauty products, I cannot keep it anymore. Right? You will see it in your face. You will glow like a diamond in the sky, like my title. Okay? And truly that time, when I'm using it, believe me, a lot of people asking me, every day I'm dealing with 40 to 60 people. Can you imagine? You must be proud of the skin that you live in. And if there is a solution that you can enhance yourself, because your eyes is the windows of your soul, right? So you can see the beauty through each and every one of you. And I hope tonight that each and every individual who haven't tried the absolute set, please try it on. I'm pretty sure your husband will be happy. Maybe your partner will be happy. And the very important thing is yourself will be so confident. I'm always confident to stick my foot outside because I know I'm only 5'4", but I feel like I'm 6 foot tall. And I would like to thank you all for listening for my testimony. And for those people who haven't tried Atomy, please do so. This product is miraculous. And each and every one of you, I wish you all the best that this company can give to your life. Thank you so much and good evening.